Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave in Mr. Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford Bronco Sport Big Ben. The exterior color is blue and was all under the hood being a 2.5 liter engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side we have 19-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in hand-cooked tires as well as black mirror caps and black handles. This 2023 Bronco also comes with remote start as well as remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have driver-friendly power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings with the door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black cloth seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as a lumbar support. Over our steering column for automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel with our cruise control option on the left and our median half-tree option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror along with our cabin lights. Looking for our center console, you'll see options available such as audio, phone integration, application, and settings, which is below being our climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating to our cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats. If there are any more questions of this beautiful pre-owned 2023 Ford Bronco Big Ben, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales support. We thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.